Incognito mode, available in most web browsers, serves the purpose of enhancing user privacy during internet browsing. Here are its main purposes. 1. No browsing history. It prevents the browser from saving your browsing history, search history, and cookies. This ensures that your activity isn't visible to others who use the same device. 2. Temporary sessions. All data, such as logins and website preferences, is cleared after the session ends, making it ideal for shared devices. 3. Bypassing personalized searches. It disables personalized results by not using cookies and browser history, which can help in unbiased web searches. 4. Testing web pages. Developers and testers often use it to check how websites behave for first-time visitors. 5. Multiple logins. It allows users to log in to the same website using different accounts simultaneously. Note: Incognito mode does not make you invisible to websites, your internet service provider, or network administrators. It only limits data storage on the local device.